Hello traders, in today's video we're going to be looking at the TradeVision Pro EA for MT5. This is a bit different from the usual signal generating robots. It's more of a trading analytics and monitoring dashboard tool. So let's see what it offers and my thoughts after testing. So from the MKL5 page, as you can see, the TradeVision Pro EA is designed as a comprehensive trading analytics and account monitoring solution for MetaTrader 5. It organizes trading data into a structured web-based dashboard, allowing you to review account information, monitor open robots, analyze trading history, track strategies, maintain a trading journal, and review performance statistics. It's free for download, by the way, and use. So you can just get right into testing this, see how it matches for you. It's not primarily a signal EA, but a tool that helps you understand and manage your trading better. It can work alongside other EAs or manual trading. The focus is on transparency, performance tracking, and better decision making through data visualization. The developer highlights features like real-time monitoring, historical analysis, strategy performance breakdown, and journal capabilities. It's positioned as a professional grade assistant for serious traders who want more insights into their results. So the key features include the web-based dashboard for account overview, position monitoring, trade history analysis, performance metrics, strategy tracking, and journaling tools. Rather, it provides structured data presentation to help identify strengths and weaknesses in your trading. The EA runs in the background while giving you powerful insights. It's user-friendly for both manual traders and those running multiple EAs. The settings are straightforward, focusing on data collection and presentation rather than complex trading parameters. Okay, so there's also multiple account support. It can be useful for personal trading accounts from different brokers, testing accounts using different trading strategies, and each connected account is kept separate for individual monitoring, analysis, and reporting. Right. So as for how it works, just connect your supported MetaTrader 5 account. Open the TradeVision Pro Forex Analyzer Pro dashboard. Review account and trading information. Monitor open positions and historical activity. Use the available analytics, journal, strategy tracking, and reporting tools to organize and review your trading data. Right, so for the important information, the TradeVision Pro Forex Analyzer is a trading analytics, monitoring, reporting, and journaling tool. The product does not provide financial advice, investment recommendations, guarantee trading results, or guarantees of future performance. Trading involves risks, and historical trading performance does not guarantee future results. The purpose of TradeVision Pro Forex Analyzer Pro is to help users organize, monitor, analyze, and review information related to their MetaTrader 5 trading activity. So these are the disclaimers from the developer. So you can see how it looks. So screenshots on the developer's page. Okay. So you can see what it looks like. So you can see how it presents data, it presents information for your tracking. And then I also loaded this into my MT5 account. So let's take a look at what happened when I did that. Let's just head over to my MT5 account. So as expected, for a monitoring tool in my testing, the trading activity was minimal. The equity curve, as you can see here, was mostly flat with very little net change. Drawdowns were tiny, reflecting low or no active trading in the test. As you can see, 0.01%. It's not a high frequency profit generator, it's a dashboard that helps you analyze and improve. The value comes from the insights it provides on your other trading activities combined with other EAs. Compared to pure trading EAs, um, this one serves a different purpose: better decision making through dates rather than generating signals. Honestly, its strength is in the monitoring and analytics feature. Use it alongside your main strategies for better oversight. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, this tool is only as good as the data it processes. It doesn't replace good trading decisions. Setup and interpretation requires some understanding of performance metrics. In live use, it can help spot issues early but won't prevent losses from bad strategies. Who's it for? And who should avoid it? Perfect for serious traders, prop firm users, or anyone running multiple EEs who wants professional monitoring and journaling. Great for performance analysis and improvements. Avoid if you're looking for an autonomous profit generating robot or complete beginner without basic trading knowledge. So overall, the TradeVision Pro EA is a useful analytics dashboard tool rather than a traditional trading robot. It can add significant value to your setup if you use it for monitoring and review. Worth trying if you want better insights into your trading. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.